Hello, Matthew. For today, we're going to be working on IEP goals number 1 and number 2. For your goal number 1, by the end of 36 instructional weeks, giving visual, verbal, and model prompts, Matthew will read, listen to a sentence describing an action verb. Example, today she is clapping her hands, and change the sentence verbally written form to state the verb's past tense. So let's move on to your assignment. You will find your assignment IEP goal number 1, worksheet 2. So it should look like this. And remember, we've already worked on this for the past several weeks. So you're going to work on numbers 1 through 5 on your own. And just remember to change these words, clean, paint, skate, read, mow, to past tense verbs. For goal number 2, Matthew will verbally written form back up an inference with evidence from the text. So this is IEP goal number 2. Moving on to your assignment, you should find this worksheet number 2 in your packet. So for today's goal, you will read The Wonderful Wizard of Oz, and then you will answer questions 1 and 2. Remember, all of this is an inference. You will also read passage B and answer questions 3, 4, and 5. It's exactly the same thing as last week's assignment. So for today, remember IEP goal number 1 and IEP goal number 2.